Okay, I've never made a video like this before, but I felt like it was time. I have a ton of packages that have been coming into my post office box. I appreciate it so much. It is so much fun to receive things in the mail, but please don't feel you have to. I am always flattered when people reach out to get my post office box address and send me wonderful things. The kindness is unreal. The letters, the cards, everything. I love it, but please don't feel you have to do it. But I also thought I'd share what I got. But again, don't feel you have to send things. I have 4 different packages here. 2 are from the same person right here. And then I have this that I got from another person. And then I have this that I got maybe a month ago. So I thought I'd share that too. These 2 I haven't opened yet. So I will open those. But first I'll share with you what I got here. So this is the first thing. This came from a woman named Pat, super nice lady. She sent me this box too, maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and unfortunately it sat at the post office for a really long time because I was on vacation and I didn't get to the town that my post office box is at. It's kind of far away, so I don't get there often, although I have been going a little bit more often now that things have been coming in. I hate seeing things sit there. So my apologies to Pat for that. I did contact her and apologize profusely and also sent her a card too, but I just wanted to say that shout out on here. So actually, let's start with that one. That was the one that I got a few months ago. Let me put these aside. There's so many goodies in this box. It's amazing. Let me see if I can get the camera pointed down to this. There we go, so you can see. So there are, first of all, there's this beautiful vintage fabric. I mean, look at this. This is so pretty. And I love it, love it, love it. There's also some other fabric in here. But she sent me, I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see, all kinds of patterns. And some of the patterns have templates. I mean, look at this box of goodies. Look at these. Aren't they beautiful? So many old patterns and wonderful things. It just was so kind of her to send this out to me. I mean, even some newer patterns. Look at these. Beautiful, beautiful patterns. And then there's some more fabric here. I love this. This is Campbell's fabric. Look at that. So cute. I love, love, love that. I love this fabric. And a cute tote bag. I mean, there's so many goodies in this box and I'm so appreciative for all of them. Amazing, so sweet. Then, when I went to the post office today, I got another letter from Pat, and in it, she talks about, let me move the camera back up here to me. She talks about COVID quilts, and she was wondering if viewers made any COVID memorial quilts. She has one that I think she said her sister in Florida made, and she sent me pictures. So you can see that here, which is really, really cool. Here's some more close-ups of it. Isn't that neat? And she was curious if other people made these. Very neat, isn't it? I'm curious about that too. Did you make a COVID memorial quilt? I had a quilt that I made that was through a Pat Sloan pattern for, I think it was April of 2020, where you did one a day. I've never finished that quilt, but I do have it and it is kind of neat. Let's open these. So these both are from the same person, Dee Dee. She's from Michigan, and I kind of know what's in these, but I haven't opened them to see exactly what they look like. So let's do that. Move you back down here a little bit. I don't hurt myself with this. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look, look, look. You see that? These are quilt pieces. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, these are amazing. Look at that. I mean, how pretty. Now this is a cutter quilt, meaning somebody cut it, and she wanted me to make sure that I mentioned that she did not cut this. It was already cut when she got it at a yard sale. These are great. Look at the Dresden plates. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Oh, what can I make with those? Oh, I can't wait. Let's see. What else? More. Oh, this is a wedding ring and a wedding ring quilt. Oh my gosh. Look at that. These are beautiful. Oh, it's so sad to me that somebody cut them up, but you know what? There are so many quilts out there, and I get it. I get it. I understand. And there's one more piece in here. And these are Dresdens. Oh my goodness. Any ideas what we can do with these? I love them. I love them. Oh, okay. Let me put those aside. And then let's open this one. All right. Look at that. So there's more. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me set this over here. Here, I'll move the camera again so you can see. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at these itty bitty pieces. Again, cutter quilt. So it's in pieces, but oh, they are so beautiful. They're so beautiful. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Oh, I don't know. My mind's racing. Let's see. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my, oh my. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think that's it, which it's plenty. It's enough. It's so much. Set these over here. Dee Dee, I am so grateful for all of these. My mind is racing on what to do. I'm going to take a look at them and get some ideas, and maybe there will be a future video. Hopefully there'll be a future video on these. Again, you do not have to send me anything, but if you are interested in sending me something, my post office box is here on the screen. I'll also put it in the description and in the first comment. So if you want to, do not feel you have to, okay? Do not feel you have to, but if it's something that you want to do, you know, I love going and getting them, and I love getting mail. It's been so much fun and something I totally did not expect. Also, if you remember, a few months ago, I got a quilt from somebody, from Martha from Canada. I believe she was from Canada. Martha sent me this quilt, and I did a lessons from an old quilt on it. So people have just been so generous and wonderful, and I'm so blessed to have every one of you in my life. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.